Question number 6 given. Name the type of quadrilateral formed if any by the following points and give reasons for your answer. First part given, A is equal to minus 1 minus 2 and B is equal to 1 0. C is equal to minus 1 2. D is equal to minus 3 and 0. By distance formula, first of all, AB by distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 1 minus minus plus 1 square plus 0 minus minus plus 2 square, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, that is equal to under root of 1 square, 1 plus 1 2, 2 square plus 2 square, that is equal to under root of 4 plus 4. This implies under root of 8 is equal to root of 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 is taking common in pair, we get 2 under root 2. Hence AB, using by distance formula, AB is equal to 2 under root 2. And on the same process, BC by distance formula, B and C, x2 minus x1 square, that is minus 1 raised to power 2 plus y2 minus y1 square, 2 minus 0 square. This implies under root of 1 minus 2 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to under root of 8. This implies under root 8 can be write it as 2 into 2 into 2 factorized by prime factorization, or in pair of 2, 1 times taking common 2 root 2. So BC is equal to 2 root 2. And CD by distance formula, C and D, minus 3 plus 1 raised to power 2, x2 minus x1 raised to power 2, minus minus is plus, so minus 3 plus 1 raised to power 2 plus 0 minus 2 raised to power 2. This implies under root of minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2, and minus 2 raised to power 2 plus minus 2 raised to power 2. This implies under root of 2 2s are 4 plus 4, and CD is equal to under root of 8. This implies under root 8 can be write it as 2 into 2 into 2, and pair of 2 is taking 1 times common, we get 2 under root 2, that is CD is equal to 2 under root 2. But AB, BC, CD and AD by distance formula, that is minus 3 plus 1 raised to power 2. On the same process, y2 minus y1 raised to power 2. y2 is here 0 and y1 is here minus 2. So 0 minus minus plus 2 square. This implies under root of minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2, and 2 raised to power 2 plus positive 2 raised to power 2, that gives a value of 2 square is positive 4 plus 4. This implies under root of 8. Under root 8 can be write it as 2 under root 2 under root 2. This implies AD is equal to 2 is taking common in pair, 2 under root 2. But we get the value of AB by distance formula is equal to 2 root 2. BC is same as 2 root 2. CD is equal to 2 root 2, AD is equal to 2 root 2, and all values AB, BC, CD and AD are equal, that is 2 root 2, and we get AC, A square minus 1 plus 1 raised to power 2 plus y2 minus y1 square, 2 plus 2 raised to power 2. That implies minus 2 minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, and 2 plus 2 4, 4 raised to power 2, that is 16, and root of 16 can be written as 4 square under root, cancel, and we get the value of AC is equal to 4. And BD, by distance formula, BD, x2 minus x1 square means minus 3 minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 0 minus 0 is 0 raised to power 2 minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4 raised to power 2 is equal to 16, that is 4 2 also, 4 4s are 16, and we get the value of BD is equal to 4. But AB, BC, CD, DA, so AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD equal AC is equal to BD. Hence ABCD is a square. Given A is minus 1 minus 2, B is 0 1, C is minus 1 2, D is minus 3 and 0. Using by distance formula, we get AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. X2 is 1 and x1 is minus 1, y2 is 0 and y1 is minus 2. So using by the distance formula, we get the value of AB, 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and root of 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is taking common in under root, but we get 2 root 2 units. AB and BC, same process by distance formula, we get 2 root 2 units. And CD on the same process by distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, we get the value of CD is equal to root 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 is taking common, and 2 root 2 units answer. And AD x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, 4 plus 4, that is root 8, and 2 AD is equal to 2 root 2 units. AB is equal to BC is equal to AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, that is 2 root 2, same, but by distance formula AC is equal to 4 and BD is equal to 4. So we can say that if AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, then ABCD is a square. Question number 6, second part. Given A, B, C, D, A is equal to minus 3 5, B is equal to 3 1, C is equal to 0 comma 3, and D is equal to minus 1 comma minus 4. By distance formula, AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. 3 minus minus plus 3 square plus 1 minus 5 square. This implies under root of 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 square plus minus 4 square, that is equal to 36 plus 4 fours are 16, is equal to under root of 36 plus 16 is 52, and 52, 2 into 2 2 are 4, 6 are 12, 2 13 jar, and 13 1 jar. 2 into 13 under root taking common 2 in one pair. This implies 2 under root 13, and AB is equal to 2 under root 13. BC by distance formula 0 minus 3 square plus 3 minus 1 square, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. x2 is 0, x1 is 3, 0 minus 3 square plus y2 is 3 and y1 is 1, so 3 minus 1 square. 3 3s are 9 and plus 2 2s are 4. This implies under root of 13, but we get the value of BC is equal to under root 13. CD by distance formula, CD is equal to x2 minus x1 square minus 1 minus 0 square plus y2 minus y1 square minus 4 minus 3 square is equal to minus 1 square, that is positive 1, and plus 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 sevens are 49 with under root, that is root 50, and root 50 can we write it as 2 into 5 into 5. Prime factorization of 50 is equal to 5, 5 are 25, 2 are 50, but in root 5 is taking common, 5 root 2. Value of CD is equal to 5 root 2. And AD by distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 square minus 1 plus 3 square plus y2 minus y1 square, that is minus 4 minus 5 square is equal to under root of 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 square, that is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is minus 9, minus 9 square. This implies 2 2s are 4 plus 9 9s are 81. So AD is equal to under root of 85. So AB is equal to 2 root 13 and BC is root 13 and CD is 5 root 2 and AD is root 85. AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CD is not equal to AD. Hence, given points is not in form of a given A is minus 3 5, B is 3 1, C is 0 3, D is minus 1 minus 4. So by distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, that is 6 square equal to 36, 4 square equal to 16, and addition of 36 and 16 is 52, and prime factorization of 52, we get 2 into 2 into 13. 2 is taking common in bracket, pair of 2 is taking common, but VC is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 9 plus 4 is 13. Units, and CD is equal to 5 root 2 units. AD is equal to 2 square is 4 and 9 square is 81. 81 plus 4 is 85 units. But AB is not equal to VC, is not equal to CD, is not equal to AD. So given points is not in form of any quadrilateral. Answer. Question number 6, third part. Given points A is equal to 4, 5, B is equal to 7, 6, C is equal to 4, 3, D is equal to 1, 2. Using by distance formula, AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 square, 7 minus 4 square, plus y2 minus y1 square. 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. 3 square plus 6 minus 1, that is 1, 1 square. Under root of 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is equal to under root of 10. BC is equal to under root of 4 minus 7 square plus 3 minus 6 square, that is equal to 7 minus 4, 3, 3 square plus 6 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3 square. 3 3s are 9 plus 9, that is under root of 18, and BC is equal to under root of 18 can be write it as 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. Prime factorization of 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. But in root 3, one pair of 3 is taking common. This implies BC is equal to 3 under root of 2 units. And CD by distance formula, CD is equal to 1 minus 4 square plus 2 minus 3 square is equal to under root of 4 minus 3, that is minus 3, 4 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 square plus 3 minus 2 minus 1 का square is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is equal to under root of 10. And AD by distance formula, AD is equal to 1 minus 4 raised to power 2 plus 2 minus 5 raised to power 2, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 3 raised to power 2 plus 5 minus 2, that is minus 3, negative 5, positive 2, that is negative 5 square is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 9 is equal to root of 18. But AD is equal to root of 18 can be write it as 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factorization of 18 is equal to 2, 3s are 6, 3s are 18, and in root one pair of 3 taking common. So AD is equal to 3 root 2 units. And AC is equal to, by distance formula, AC is equal to under root of 4 minus 4 square plus 3 minus 5 square is equal to 4 minus 4, that is 0. 0 square is also 0. 5 minus 3, that is minus 2. And minus 2 square, that is 4. And root of 4 can we write it as 2 square, cancel 2. So AC is equal to 2 units. And BD is equal to, by distance formula, BD can be write x2 minus x1 square, 1 minus 7 raised to power 2 plus y2 minus y1 square, means 2 minus 6 raised to power 2 is equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. 7 is negative, but we get minus 6 raised to power 2, and that gives a positive value. Minus 6 raised to power 2 is positive 36, and 6 minus 2 is 4, but minus 4 because 6 is negative. So 6 6 are 36 plus 4 4s are 16, but sum of 36 and 16 is equal to 52. 6 plus 6 12 2, 12 2 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, that is 52. But AC is not equal to BD, and AB is equal to CD, and BC is equal to AD. So AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD, hence ABCD is a parallelogram. Given A is equal to 4,5, B is 7,6, C is 4, 3, and D is 1, 2. By distance formula, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and 7 minus 4, that is 3, but 3 square is 9, and 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 square is 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to under root of 10 units. And BC is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, 4 minus 7 square, that is minus 3 square, 3 3s are 9, and 3 minus 6 square, that is 3 minus 6 is minus 6, and minus 6 square is equal to 9. The sum of 9 plus 9 is 18, root 18, and prime factorization of 18 can be write 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, but in root 3, one pair of 3 is taking common, so we get BC is equal to 3 root 2 units. And CD, same process, by distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 square, but 3 minus 2 is 1 square. 3 square is 9 plus 1 square is 1. 9 plus 1 is root 10 unit. And AD, by distance formula, AD x2 minus x1 square, y2 plus y2 minus y1 square. 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 3 square plus 5 minus 2 is minus 3, because minus 5 is greater, but 3 square is positive 9 plus positive 9, and sum of 9 plus 9 is 18, root 18. Prime factorization of root 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, but one pair of 3 is taking common, so we get AD is equal to 3 root 2 units. And AC by distance formula, we get the value of AC is equal to complete 2 and BD is equal to root of 52. AC is not equal to BD, and AB is equal to CD, that is equal to root 10, and AB is equal to CD is equal to root 10, and BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to 3 root 2. BC is equal to AD, that is equal to 3 root 2. So two sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Hence we can say that a quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence proved. Thank you so much.